Pretty soon, you'll have this Sally like to crack.
Ditch. But to be fair, a lot of my I'll just sit back and admire some of their strikingly spectacular and enviable human-like attributes. That fish is a skeleton. But by far the physical attribute this fish is most famous for, human-like lips. And boy, are people envious of these fuckers.
I bet it's everyone's favorite time of year, gold. You can't fathom the discounts. Ready to close. Or maybe that's just the stench of fried fish. Who's to say?
Where are you located?
Down at the confluence of Little Cayman Island.
Wait over. Oh, it's already over. You know, there's an urban legend that the most spectacular, weird, and wonderful creatures that turn the very concept of our absurd planet on its head.
Damn.